Hi, I'm Matt Hall, President of Laburnum Primary School Council. Welcome to Laburnum Primary School, a place rich in history and community spirit. Our story began in 1878 when this original building behind me was constructed in Deep Creek. In 1887 it was relocated to Doncaster East, providing education to generations of students. The building moved here to Blackburn in 1998 and has been used for our performing arts and music programs. Thanks to the generous support from Dulux Acratex, we're bringing new life to the roof. We're excited to see the transformation unfold and grateful for the opportunity to preserve and protect our school for generations to come.
Take a look at this roof. It's definitely seen better days, but today we're giving it a fresh start with Dulux Acratex Metal Roof Renew. This is our latest innovation, purpose-built for metal roofs. It's designed to restore, protect and extend the life of roofs just like this one.
Seeing this transformation complete is incredibly rewarding. This upgrade has truly delivered on its promise, extending the life of our roof and adding long-term value to our facilities. It's more than just a fresh look, it's an investment in our school's future and a reflection of the pride we have in our community.